In every revolution, there comes a moment when the battle shifts from the battlefield to the soul of the nation. Sabina mashoko buda panguva ino atona vanachipa musaruro mapopular our critics at the ruling party ZANU-PF panguva ino vouya vanyatso kuratidza kuti zvinhu hazvina kumira zvakanaka, vanyatso kuratidza kuti chaos in the ruling party ZANU-PF yasvika kumalevels ari unprecedented. Uri subscribe like on the bell icon. Timina pendo pakamudanyira chiti that moment arrived when Colonel Miniota Wobaloyi Chiwenga stepped into the public square, not just as a soldier, scholar, and entrepreneur, but as a moral compass and a strategic force behind Zimbabwe's most disciplined statesman, Vice President General Chiwenga. She did not just marry a man, she resurrected a legacy. After years of tabloid chaos and political sabotage, Chiwenga's image was bruised. Enemies rejoiced, opportunists circled, but they underestimated the power of a woman forged in the crucible of military command and intellectual excellence. Colonel Baloyi Chiwenga did not flinch. She recalibrated the narrative with precision, elegancy, and unshakable faith. From commanding peacekeeping missions to lecturing Mandarin at heat, she embodies Zimbabwe's future, east-facing, faith-rooted, and fiercely patriotic. A boutique style by women is not just fashion, it's national branding. Her presence at Independence Day in a green national fabric dress wasn't vanity, it was visual diplomacy. Every coordinated outfit, every shady glance with the Vice President is a message. Zimbabwe is united, dignified, and ready. The Facebook page is a digital fortress of patriotism. With over 158,000 followers, she blends scripture, honor, and statecraft to humanize the Vice President and fortify their family brand. She posts Psalms 23 not for likes, but to remind Zimbabweans that leadership begins with the divine guidance. She shares cartoons not for entertainment, but to soften the image of a man once feared, now admired. Ndo mashoko ari kuda panguva ino vanhu vachipreza mini Baloyi vachiti kupinda kwakaita muupenyu hwaVP Constantine Chiwenga aiwa akabatsira panguva ino, akamutsidzira, akanyatsokuratidza ability yevanhu vechikadzi panguva ino kuuya achisimbisa VP Constantine Chiwenga just because aiwa general akanga ari munhu aunokwanzi maenemies ake akanga agorejoisa vachifara vachiti they finished him. Tuze mafunguro enyu mutikudipa pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section medu. Tuze mafunguro enyu, musanga subscribe or like, share on the bell icon.